Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please do subscribe it. Let's get into the video and see. So in my previous video, we have seen couple of tips in Excel. So if you are not watched that, I'll give the link in description. You can check it out. So we have covered the first three topics. Now we will move to the fourth one, which is workbook statistics. So this is used to aware about your workbook, the Excel workbook, or different sheets information. So how many formulas you have, how many data cells was filled it. So we'll see it in live. To access the workbook status, go to review tab. So here you will find a workbook statistics in your Excel sheet. Just pick over here. You will get this dialog box. So what is the sheet count, end of sheet, how many sheets you have, and how many cells data you are having. And the next way to access is shortcut key Alt R B. So you will get the similar dialog box, whatever we have used. So this is the shortcut key Alt R B. When you press that, it will open you the same table. So now what I will do is I'll add the formula over here. We'll see whether the formula is included or not. So what I'll do is here I'm adding a formula like 4 plus 5. Okay, let's see whether that is added into the worksheet workbook statistics or not. We'll see here. So if you see in the formula tab, there is a one formula added. Well, and the cells data got updated to 130. If you see in the previous, it was 129. Now it was a formula is added. Even in the current sheet it is, and when you look at the workbook, it was showing for a workbook also. So this is all about workbook statistics. So the next one is a translator. Translator is very good when you are working in a multiple languages. So let's see how it is useful. Like here I have a text with the English. Now I want to look this in the Spanish or some other language. So to get the translate mode activate, go to review tab. You will find the translate over here. You can use this one, or you can use the shortcut key of Alt Shift 7. We have another shortcut key also, which is Alt RL. You can use that also. So it will route you to translate mode. So the translate mode is opened on the right side. So here it is a default language as English. So now I want on a below it is into a Spanish. So I have selected Spanish. So if I select any other language, see it will be showcasing you into that language. Let's move to the next row item and see whether it is changing or not. So whichever I'm selecting, it is changing. So here the language was Portuguese. So that's the reason it is showing in a Portugal on a down. So I was using a Spanish. Spanish is also translate. So if you see in a select visible cells only, here it is showing in a Spanish language. So this is all about translator. So the next one is custom view. So when we will use it's like a data presentation. So whenever you want to view the data in a different way, that in that scenario we will use this. So let's see how to create that. And if you go to a view tab, you will find a custom views. Just pick over here. It will route you to custom views option. So here I don't have any views created over here. That's the reason I'm not able to see any views. Now we will create the views and we'll see it. So I'm moving to a data tab, and this is the data which we have seen earlier. Now what I will do is I'll adjust my zoom level to 150. So what I'll do is I'll create a view from this. So pick on a custom view. Here use the add button. So what I will do is I'll give a name as data 150 percentage. Press OK. So now what I'll do is I'll change the view to 100 percentage in my Excel zoom level, and I will hide couple of rows. So now I want to view the data which I have created earlier. So what I'll do is again I'll go to custom view and I'll use the show. So it is showing the data which I have created it with the 150%. So I have hidden few columns. Still it was not showing with the hidden data. It is showing with the unhidden data. So this is kind of a better view, and you will not have any watermark in this view. Majorly we'll find this watermarks in the Power BI. The last one is zoom to selection. This is used when you have a lot of data where you want to read couple of cells data. So how to use this one we'll see now. Just select the data which one you want and go to view tab. You will have a zoom to selection option. Pick over here, or you can use the shortcut key of Alt WG. So it will route you to that level where you are looking. So I have kept over here. That's the reason it was showing me. So let me rezoom it and I'll select these values and I'll use zoom to scale option. So you can able to see the text was highlighted with the zoom level. Whatever the zoom level you want, it will be highlighting. You can adjust it and view the cells where you want to read. So this is all about this tips video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, click on a bell icon for more videos.